Hello guys, Frost here. So today we are looking into Dwarf Association. So what we have here is first row would always be fodder, so 1 and 2 star heroes, and at some point you will get 3 star as well. And then we have gear pieces, slots, and some other stuff here. So first thing first, you want to unlock everything here, and then you want to be buying fodder early on as much as possible. So you shouldn't be stopping for like first 3 weeks buying them every hour. Then they reset every hour, as I said, and then you can refresh them, and you should be refreshing them with gold every day while you're playing, if you have time, of course. So first things first, what you want to be buying is fodder here. So how leveling goes, to upgrade one hero from 1 star to 2 star, you need 1 hero maxed XP, and then 2 heroes 1 star to upgrade it to 2 star, and then goes more and more as you progress on. So next thing, what you want to be doing is buying blue gear and buying purple gear early on. You don't want to be farming as much, you want to be buying them here, and you focus on this Juggernaut set because it gives you flat attack. Flat attack is really good early on. And other things that you can be buying is auto fights for gold. Then you should be buying when you get them, so potions for when they have discount. These when they can be sometimes bought for gold. And one more thing that you can buy there is these stones. So that's what you should focus on. Alternatively, what you can buy for around 60 crystals here is Kuke. That's a really good blue hero early on. It has poison, it's this one, and it can be used for fusion and everything else. So if you really need him and didn't get him during summoning, you can buy him there. The quality of your gear here depends on how many stars you have upgraded here. So when you complete a stage, you get 3 stars. So when you get enough stars doing your gear rates and promotion rates, that is when you unlock further gear here. And then tip, later on, when you get into like a mid game, you will start getting red gear. So red gear here is really good. And which red gear you want to be buying always? First would be, so you want to buy Calamity, Whirlwind, Annihilating Might. Early on you can buy Life Force and Salvation as well. But then Salvation can be stopped earliest because it doesn't give as much. Then Life Force, then Might, then Whirlwind, and you should be buying all through end game Calamity always when you have it. I mean, you should be having enough gold. Then for the right side, you should always be buying red Guardian gear, and you can buy some yellow pieces as well early on if you didn't gear your tanks. Then Mana Spring should be bought every red gear when you get it. And other than that, early on maybe you can get a few pieces of Fatality, but other than that, other sets are not as useful on red gear here. So Mana Spring always, Guardian always, Fracture, Fatality early on possibly, but that's pretty much it. So lots really good pieces can be obtained here, and especially ones that are not as needed to be super omega good for like tanks, healers, supports. So that's why mana and tanking gear is really good to be bought here. Then here we have Guild Points shop. Here you should be buying rare summoning crystals and legendary skill stones. Anything else is not really worth it. Maybe buy gold boosts from time to time, but you should be getting them in the events and stuff like that. So you should try avoiding buying anything else here other than rare summoning and legendary crystals. Then here, Arena Shop, you should be buying huge stamina pot every day. Then you should be buying rare summoning crystals and EXP boost every week. Then you should be buying few of these possibly. Early on you can buy some dust, epic skill crystals and legendary skill dust. This is really expensive, so not really recommended, maybe a bit. Epic dust as well. And then the focus on is the bottom part here. It's pretty hard early on. Maybe after a month you can expect to be buying these. And then when you're getting to late game, you should be buying all of them and then spending all the rest of your arena points on Mithril. Now here is where the pay to win shop sort of. They put these here, so they're pretty cheap. They can be used to upgrade gear, so you should be buying them. But it's not a lot of them, and it doesn't impact as much. Then when you sell your epic heroes, you get these coins that for selling 4 epic heroes non-fusion, you can buy 1 soul, specific soul. And then when selling 4 legendary heroes, you can buy 1 legendary soul. That's pretty good. And like every other week, you can buy legendary skill crystals for 800 of these epic currency when selling epic heroes. So that should be bought weekly, and then this should be bought really early on, maybe later on when you have enough to buy these every 2 weeks. And auto fights shouldn't be bought as much. So that's what you do with this shop. In the end, when we catch them all, we still need to play the game, so please keep some red crystals for stamina. Don't spend all on summoning. Cheers guys, bye bye.